My name's Michaela, and for this week's video, I chose to do the Transform Fault earthquake in Haiti that occurred in 2010. So, a little bit about when and where this earthquake occurred. It occurred on January 12th at 4:53 local time in 2010. The epicenter of this earthquake was near the town of Léogâne, Oise, and was about 15.5 miles from the capital port, a Prince. And it was on Enrico Plantain Garden Fault. So, a little bit about the Enrico Plantain Garden Fault. Um, it is a conservative plate margin, which means that the plates are moving alongside each other. The fault had not moved for 250 years, so energy being released caused the earthquake to be of greater magnitude. Um, the earthquake was a 7 magnitude, and it was followed by 2 aftershocks. The earthquake was also just over 8 miles below the surface. Some reasons for so much damage during this earthquake was that the hypocenter was only 8 miles beneath the surface. Um, due to poverty, poor building construction was done, and that magnified the destruction and likely had made it have a higher death toll. Um, Many of the structures on the island are built using unreinforced concrete, which is deficient when it comes to withstanding an earthquake. Haiti is also located on the edge of a slowly shifting Caribbean plate, which results in a network of fractures that crisscross the island and occasionally release pent-up stress in ground-rattling earthquakes. So during this earthquake, a lot of damage was done. It is estimated between 217,000 and 300,000 people died. Approximately 300,000 individuals were injured. Over 1 million people were made homeless. Nearly half of all structures in the epicentral area were damaged, with over 188 homes damaged and 105,000 homes destroyed. Major buildings, including the Presidential Palace and Port-au-Prince Cathedral, were significantly damaged. And in total, the earthquake affected around an estimated 3 million people. So, some hazards that happened after the earthquake was no food and water, regular power cuts, increased crime, including looting and sexual crime, temporary shelters, outbreaks in cholera, which is a infection of the small intestine, um, and then emergency and trauma care was limited. So there are around 32 earthquakes a year in Haiti. This equals about 2 per month, and they happen roughly every 11 days. I found this graph and I thought this was interesting from 2015 to 2025, and how many earthquakes occurred in 2021 is interesting. Um, but yeah, that's it. Thank you.